It's a little late, but let's get with it. Weekly technical analysis. Let me. Well, uh, that's a that's solid, right? You guys are good like that. I'm good like that. Okay, bam. Let's get into this weekly technical analysis. So I am bearish. I'll explain everything in a sec, but let me explain my outlooks on the week. What could our possible targets be? Why I'm bearish. So we'll go on a different chart compare. Nope. No, okay, perfect. This chart I was looking for. Anyways, so let's zoom in here. Currently, I am looking to see if we can make a possible retracement for the weekly fair value gap down here. Last week we did end up closing bearish. We will scale down to the daily time frame in a second, but I still think it's possible for us to make this possible weekly retracement or completely break weekly structure to the downside. We did sweep weekly liquidity we did take out weekly liquidity last week. Can't say the sweep because the overall move hasn't happened yet, has it? No, it hasn't. Nonetheless, daily broke structure to the downside right here. Right here, yes, we do have a daily fair value gap, but nonetheless, we see overall price action where it is going. So price action daily broke structure to the downside, came here, retraced into this daily fair value gap. Now, how are we looking to be bearish on Monday and throughout the rest of the week or whatever the case is? Well, hey, we need to see price action fully develop, but I just sent it within the Discord. I want to see 4-hour break structure to the downside around here. I want to see some 4-hour confluence with the break of structure in order to have, the confidence to be able to go in the next day and look to execute on sells. Hourly did break structure to the downside. Bam, right here. Currently, price action is reversing, doing whatever it's doing. This isn't really something that I'm looking at right now. We're just looking at the overall macro time frames. But currently, as of right now, if 4-hour can break structure to the downside, I would love to look to play the sells on Monday. But overall, as of right now, I am bearish with how price action is looking. Price action did retrace into this daily fair value gap. Like I said, I would love to continue to see a drop, but I mean, it's possible. It depends. Really to see how price action develops on Monday and Tuesday. If I go on Forex Factory, we do not have news on Monday and Tuesday, so that is good news. Get it? Good news. Anyways, Monday, Tuesday we have no news. Wednesday, flash manufacturing. Thursday, advanced GDP, unemployment claims, and then Friday, of course, CPE. So relatively another clear price action week. The first week of February is not a nice week, but we'll prepare for that when it's time. You can see it's really, really messy week, but nonetheless, my outlook this week is bearish. I would love to see the outcome of how price action continues to play out. If we end up pushing bullish, we'll have our confluences that can continue to help us look to adjust to market structure, right? Because we're here to react to market structure. I mean, I don't even know what I meant with what I just said. Nonetheless, my bias is bearish. Do your own technical analysis, but I just wanted to post this little video. Ooh, dang, it's 3 minutes. It's a short video. It's the shortest video on my channel. I think we need to make the video a little bit longer. How can we extend the video? Anyways, no, really, that's just my bias as of right now. On the lower time frames, how we're looking during Asian session this is what we're seeing. Price action is currently down 0.28%. It was just down 0.4. Nonetheless, I mean, I'm curious to see how price action develops during Asian session in London. I think we could continue to see that possible push to the downside. I really want to see 4-hour break structure to the downside. There, yeah. So we have around another 2 4-hour candles, but really, that's all we have for our little bias as of right now. But go, like I said, go do your own technical analysis. I wish everyone a very, very happy trading week. Continue to see where you can improve on within your trading. This week, our main goal is not focusing on P&L or anything of the sort, but instead focusing on the execution of our trades. By that, what do I mean? Over the weekend, I was back testing stop losses and take profits. We are going to start using a lot size calculator. I decided to take my own advice, and in the sense of setting my stop losses and specific places instead of just having, a set lot size of an SL. It helps a lot. It helps a lot more than you think. You guys should be doing that too. Nonetheless, that's really just my outlook on the week and what my plan is to really go in and focus on continuing to build that consistency of, well, this week in specific, having the proper SL, because I want that to continue to develop as we start to really lay off the brakes of making a bunch of money and not full porting these accounts, but really making a bunch of money, then getting huge withdrawals, but instead trading these funded accounts as if we were trading full time, right? Nonetheless, that's everything. That's my fourth time saying nonetheless. But really, I love you guys. Happy trading week to everyone. Join the Discord if you're not in it. Damn me if you guys need me, and I love you guys. Peace. I already said that. Good night. I'm uploading this at night time, so good night.